Okay, so I've taken the liberty of cutting a couple pieces already. Do the same measurement, more or less. So I'm going to be doing now, taking this apart and transferring all these holes to this one. This is the nicer side, this is the nicer side. Alright, I don't know what happened, but had some read error. Maybe it's time to get a new camera, I'm not sure. But anyways, what I've done is basically duplicated what was on that old piece of wood that was on the lathe. Drilled out all the holes. I sprayed it with some Varathane just to protect it from any moisture or anything, especially when you're finishing and stuff like that. Just and to make it look nicer too. So I cut out the sections, did the bolts exactly. So I'm just waiting to dry, and once it dries, I'm going to be putting on the bolt. One other thing I'd like to mention, I have great friends out there, and really good friends of mine, and they come to my aid when I need it, and vice versa. And I had one of my friends there, he had this rack that he built for me. He knows that my welding machine is broken and I can't replace it right now, so he had these old trays and stuff, and he actually built this. You can see this. So he knows I'm trying to organize the garage. So while all this wood was up top, I'm now going to put all my jigs up there. So I have a place to put all my jigs in one area, and I have all my hardwoods, little woods and stuff like that. I got here. I'd like to thank him. Thanks, Dave, if you're watching the video. Thank you. I don't think he wants me to say his last name on there. But it was a really nice build. If you can see it, basically just square tubing. Get it here. Square tubing. They welded these L brackets across, and they made them to fit right inside here, so these don't slide out. It actually drops in and stops it from sliding. I don't think you can get these trays anymore. I got these a long time ago, and that's it. Just so you went just right down, made a base, and the base, the last one sits on the base with some dollies, some wheels, and that's it. And that can move around. Sorry, it's locked up there, but it's great. Now up there, where I used to have it up there, I'm just going to be putting jigs up there, just to have all of them in one area. loosen these up. A little bit of stickiness here. It moves, but gonna maybe send it up a little bit and put something on it so it slides a little bit better. So it's all together, and it looks good, but I'm finding it just takes up too much real estate. I'm in the middle of reorganizing my garage again, but this time for the better. I threw a lot of stuff out and took a lot of stuff down and making new stuff. And I'm thinking of putting that wood rack that I just got from my buddy over here, and I can slide a few things down, and that's it. I can take the money that I sell this for and buy a small one at the local hardware store, or Canadian Tire, or in the States. Now I just went blank. I don't know what stores are, but you know what I mean. Just get a small little one to toy around with, or possibly even try making my own, just for shits and giggles. And I do have the parts to make my own, so I'll probably try that. Alright guys, thanks for watching.
Frank's DIY.